10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us right now. Bobby, we're expecting a wet Labor Day weekend. We've seen this show before.
Yeah, right. Hopefully it's not a repeat of last weekend. You remember it was gray and rainy all weekend long. I do think Sunday will have more clouds and more rain around than any other day. But the rest look like more just kind of typical storms moving from west to east, that pattern. Look at what happened today. Watch this thunderstorm. Look at the top of this thing and watch the sunset through it. That thing's over Disney World. All right, that's 85, almost 90 miles away from St. Pete. But you can see it was beautiful out there this evening. We didn't have much rain here along the coast. We had a couple showers pop up here early today, but everything kind of worked its way inland. And one heck of a thunderstorm over there at the Cape this evening. That is now moving offshore. Frontal boundary to our north. This is going to be part of the problem. Remember we had that last weekend. It was slowly sinking southward, and you get a west flow ahead of it. Once this gets out over the water, it develops more showers and storms. By Sunday, it's trying to push through here, and that's when we have our best chance to see the rain. So let's go in order. Let's start tomorrow morning. We're looking good right here, nice and clear. Around lunchtime, 1 o'clock or so, we're going to watch. This is around 1:30 for a few pop-up showers and storms, and then they'll work their way inland. All right, that's a lot like what we saw today. Not much different for tomorrow. Saturday, similar setup. We start with sunshine, 1 o'clock. Here goes a couple pop-up showers and storms. They work their way inland, and this is 6 o'clock. I still think we'll see a few more showers around 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Now Sunday, 9 o'clock, we're actually starting relatively dry, although still far out in time. I think this will change a little bit, but watch what happens as we work our way towards noon and then into the afternoon. That's what we're looking at. More of these clouds and showers filling in, okay? Right now, it looks like we will want to clear things out a little bit for Monday. So we do not have a weather impact alert for Monday, but we do for Sunday, because Sunday I think will be the soggiest one. Now, forecast-wise, tomorrow we go about 91. That's about where we were today. 30% rain chance right there around 2 o'clock would be the best chance. Boating forecast, 87 in the water. Really good boating. It's Friday. Just make it a 4-day weekend. Take the boat out tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day for that. Smooth out there on the bay. Here is our weather impact alert. Right now it's 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We'll adjust the time a little bit, but the bottom line is this is our way of giving you a heads up when you have not only severe weather chances, which this is not, this is just rain and thunderstorms, but inconvenient weather. And Labor Day weekend, right in the smack dab middle of that thing, yeah, it's a little inconvenient. 40% on Saturday, 70% on Sunday, back down to about 40% on Labor Day, and that forecast might change just a little bit, but you can see, obviously, the coverage here, right? 40% on their Saturday, and look at Sunday. That's why we have our weather impact alert for Sunday. Monday, again, some storms starting around midday and then drifting inland. Here's what the model looks like. This is Sunday morning, 6 o'clock. Look at all that moisture. Look at that westerly flow. Remember that? That was last weekend. And then watch what happens during the day. All that rain pushes off towards the east. Now, as we get into Monday morning, 7 a.m., starting to dry things out at least just a little bit. So I don't think Monday's as bad. If you have to plan, you would want to say Sunday would probably be the wettest day, so you can plan around that, okay? Look at this. Because I was saying we don't have any tropical weather worries for the Labor Day weekend, Hurricane Center says 20% chance for that developing next week. The cell is over land. It's over Africa right now. But this will tend to come off here Sunday into Sunday night. It'll be in here and may end up moving off towards the west-northwest. The models don't do too much with it. Generally, they get it up in this area by the time we get towards about a week and a half. You can see I've highlighted it here. Not too concerned about this. This would be September 6th, 7th, 8th. So we have some time to keep an eye on this. There's your 7-day forecast. You can see our weather impact alert for Sunday. We'll be in the mid-80s on Sunday with the clouds and showers, upper 80s on Monday, Labor Day.